Well, that leading edge of showers down north of Indianapolis, in between Indianapolis and South Bend now, is still trying to hold its strength and moisture and make its way up towards the state line. If it does, it's under 100 miles away from Kalamazoo and I-94, only about 50 miles away from the state line. So Cass and St. Joseph counties may be in line for a brief shower here, but it is expected to continue to fizzle out as it lifts off to the north. This model picks up on that pretty well. Notice most of the shower activity quite minimal here into the early evening hours. And then in the overnight period, we start to see more showers develop as we head into about 2, 3, 4 a.m. And another line of showers starts to head our way right around daybreak. Here's Holland, nice sunshine. We had an initial wave of some really thick clouds. That is since pushed off into northern lower Michigan. We are now going back to more of a light high cloud deck, and with it a nice view here in Ravenna as well. As that thicker cloud deck continues to trek to the north, the view to the south and west, it's looking okay there. Winds, not much, but still noticeable, and you really need it there to do anything to try to cool you down in the mid-80s and dew points in the 60s here. It's 83 Grand Rapids, Allegan, Hastings, 84 in Muskegon, 84 in South Haven. Grand Rapids' warmest of 2024 has been 85, so we're still a couple of degrees off of that. But areas like Benton Harbor tying the warmest on the day, South Haven tying the warmest of the year as well. There's the cool down. You can see it pretty cleanly cutting through the state of Minnesota and just far northwestern Iowa. That's going to head our way here overnight tonight and into tomorrow. The timing of it, though, means a mild overnight and a very moderate tomorrow afternoon. We're just not going to warm up a ton from our overnight lows as the cold front moves through right in the late morning, early afternoon hours. We stay fairly seasonably cool, upper 60s, lower 70s until next week. We do start to rebound. There's those temperatures, though, overnight tonight. 68 in Grand Rapids and across West Michigan. Very, very warm. But again, only a 6-degree rebound into Wednesday afternoon. So there's the cold fronts timing this out 6 a.m. Another batch of showers and thunderstorms is expected. A more defined line here in the middle of the day and early afternoon. Once that cold front slides through, then we see a pretty good clearing line for a few hours. And then another cold front comes through. That one will bring more showers overnight into Thursday morning. And then as we head into Thursday afternoon, sunshine to start and more clouds redevelop, more scattered showers. This system's going to have a lot of wraparound moisture, a persistent northwest breeze. So starting on Thursday, it's a lot cooler. It's on and off rain and shower chances. No day is going to be overly heavy with rainfall. No day, unfortunately, is going to be overly warm and or a pretty good breeze within that as well. We do start to warm things up early next week, but it doesn't look overly persistent. Cool air still expected in that Ohio Valley region, the warmer than average, just starting to get into part of the Midwest. So it looks like a rebound could be on the horizon, but the next 10 days, a little chillier than normal.